Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope. Today I've got a really simple beginner sewing project that probably doesn't even need a tutorial. I'm sure anyone could figure out how to do this, but I'm going to share anyway, just because it was really fun. So, the backstory. Our family, that's my husband and 4 kids, over time have created what we call our Over the Garden Wall Extravaganza. It's sort of our opening ceremony for the autumn season. We watch the delightful Over the Garden Wall series, and every episode or two we do a project or eat an on-theme treat. This year I wanted to add candy pants to our tradition. I mulled over how to make them. For weeks I envisioned all sorts of ideas that actually looked like pants, but in the end I decided to go with the very simple plan of drawstring bags made out of old jeans. This obviously is a very simple project. The steps are, number 1, cut the legs of the jeans to the size you want. Turn them inside out. Number 3, fold over and sew to create a pocket for the drawstring. Then you sew along the bottom. And then you turn them right side out and cut holes in the drawstring pocket to thread the drawstring through. My husband did that step for me, so I didn't have any video of it. And then you fill with candy, and at an appropriate time in the movie, call out candy pants and hand out bags full of treats to your delighted family.